We just opened a beautiful card addressed to Mickey Maloney Wilson from Nancy. And Mickey hasn't seen it yet, and it's got a lovely, lovely note inside that Mickey's going to certainly appreciate. And Mickey hasn't seen it, but she's on the front porch, I believe. So I'm going to make my way out there so I can show her. Of course, she doesn't see me, Mickey. We'll go out there and show her that she has some mail. Come on. Come over here, love. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, my love. Look at her. Oh, yeah. She just can't. Oh, yeah, she wants it. Oh, she wants it. She smells Nancy's. She knows who it's from, don't you? Yes, you do, little sweetie. A little note from Nancy. Thank you, Nancy, for the lovely note, says Mickey. Yes, sweetheart. Thank you. Love, Mickey. Love, Mickey.